Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation of Ibaraki Constantine. Today we would like to present about our project Smart Shoebox.
First, let me tell you about this project inspiration in a short story.
One day, a father and a son are running.
I'm so tired of running.
Let's take a drink inside the house.
Let's go, mommy, we are back.
Let's have some drinks. Oh, your shoes are so stinky. Mommy thought, I'm so tired of deodorizing their shoes every time after using. Nowadays, there are many automatic things, especially for cleaning. So, how about making an automatically deodorizing shoe box? I can do it.
The next day, Mommy went to buy the equipment at a home center and started making Smart Shoebox.
I made it. Hope it goes well.
All we have to do is just put the shoes inside the box and deodorize it. This is so easy.
The next day,
Mommy, I'm leaving.
Be careful. Wow, your shoes are not stinky anymore.
Yay!
Shoebox is widely used in Japan. However, using a box with insufficient airflow can cause problems such as an unpleasant smell. Nowadays, there are many automatic supplies that help us in many ways. So, it might be important to make an automatic shoebox. We no longer have to wash shoes often, but can still use our shoes that look clean and not emitting unpleasant smells.
this is a project overload process. We divided it into four main parts. First, odor sensor, showing result on the computer screen. Second, deodorant, spraying down the fabrics using abstract detector sensor and sub-motor. Third, gas sensor, processing with temperature, showing result on the LCD screen and LED LED. Fourth, airflow function, electric circuit using fan and motor, and then testing all the functions and improving. And for the last step, assemble.
Next, I would like to present about the operation of Smart Shoebox. First, put your shoes in the shoebox. When shoes are put in, the deodorant liquid Febreze will be sprayed down. Then let LED turns on. Next, the ventilating a fan spins to ventilate the shoes. Next, smell detecting. Other sensor detects the smell and show result on the computer screen. And finally, when the Febreze disappears, the red LED goes off. It means that all the processes have been done. So you can have your shoes which is not emitting bad smell.
Finding and results. The graphs show the results of the odor sensor operation showing numerically. Note that the vertical axes of each graph are not identical. The first graph shows the result before Febreze is applied. The second graph shows the result immediately after applying Febreze. The third graph shows the result 10 minutes after applying Febreze. And the last graph shows the result 30 minutes after applying Febreze. There was a slight change in the values. We would like to be able to deodorize more in the future. Thank you for your kind attention.